Good news, everyone. If you did not like solving systems of equations by substitution or graphing or the addition method, this is our fourth and final method for how to solve equations. So this is sort of nice because it's a formula that works every time. It's a little bit more work, but if you didn't like any of the other ones, here's another option. So when we're doing it, we want to stack them with the x's, the y's, and then the constant, just like we did when we were doing the addition method. So when we have to find determinants, we need to find 3 of them. When we're finding a regular determinant, we put the x's here, the y's here. So we're looking at the coefficients in front of x, the coefficients in front of y. So it's going to be a1, a2, sorry. And then looking down the y's, b1, b2. When we're doing d of x, we replace the x with the answers. So we get answers and then y. So the answers to the equation are c1, c2. The coefficients in front of y are b1, b2. And likewise, when we're doing d of y, or the determinant for y, we're going to do x values, and then we're going to replace the y with the answers. So we have a1, a2, c1, c2. So then we're going to use these numbers. So each of these are going to give you a number. So step 1 is to solve each determinant. So we're going to find what d is, we're going to find what d of x is, and then we're going to find what d of y is. Then we're going to be able to solve for x once we have those facts. Solve for x. To find x, we're going to do d of x divided by d. To solve for y, you got it, d of y divided by d. And then finally, we're going to do a check. So I'm ready to try one of these. Is it set up properly? It goes x, y number, x, y number. So yes. So first we're going to do d. So my coefficients in front of the x's are 2 and 5. In front of the y's are -5 and 3. Find the value. So it's 6 minus -25 or 31. So d equals 31. d of x. For d of x, we replace the answers in the x column. So it goes answers and then y. So the answers are 26 and 3 to the equation. The y values are -5 and 3. When I multiply these, I get 78 minus a -15. So 78 plus 15 is 93. So d of x equals 93. d of y. This time we get x and then answers. The x values are 2 and 5. The answers are 26 and 3. Multiply the diagonals. 6 minus 130 is -124. So d of y equals -124. Now I'm ready to solve for x. X equals d of x divided by d, which is 93 divided by 31. So we get 3. Y equals d of y divided by d. -124 divided by 31 is -4. Our solution for this is 3, -4. Do a quick check. Pick either equation, it doesn't matter. So 2 times 3 minus 5 times 4, -4, excuse me, is 26. 26 equals 26. Works. All right, for example 3, is it set up correctly? Do we have x's, then y's, then numbers? We do. This time we're going to get some weird fractions. The nice thing about Cramer's rule is if we get fractions, it's not a big deal. D equals 3, 2, negative 2, 5. D of x equals answers and then y. D of x is 1 and 3 and negative 2 and 5. D of y is x's and then the answers. The x values are 3 and 2. The answers are 1 and 3. Solve each of these. 15 plus 4 is 19. 5 plus 6 is 11. 9 minus 2 is 7. So x is equal to 11 19ths. Y is equal to 7 19ths. So that's our answer for x and y. When you do, and you can feel free to do the check. D is, this is our special case, is 1, negative 2, 2, negative 4. So we get negative 4 minus a negative 4 is 0. If that happens, it's no solution. So that is our special case. All right, have a great day. Practice these and have fun.